Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to add the conditional fields in the content types of the Drupal website. So for that we are using the contributed module, the conditional field module. So for this video I have already downloaded this module in my my website. So if you check here in the extents, so this is the module which I have already installed. So now go to the content. So for this video I have created one scenario like we have to set up one meeting. So for that I have created this meeting content type, and in meeting content type I have these fields like meeting agenda, meeting date, meeting link, meeting location, and the meeting type. So there are two types of meetings. One is the face to face and second is the virtual meeting. So when I select meeting as the face to face, so in that case I just need to show the meeting location field in my content type. And for other scenario, like when I set the meeting type as the virtual, so for in that condition I want to show the meeting link field only. So I have already added this field. Now I go to content, add content, meeting content type. So there are these fields like title, body, meeting agenda, meeting date, and the meeting type. So suppose if I set the virtual, so in that case I just want this field should appear and this get hide. So right now both fields are visible. So for that we use the conditional field module. So to hide those fields we need to go to the manage fields in the content type, and you will see the this manage dependency tab after installing the conditional field module. Then click on that manage dependency tab, and in the target field you have to select those fields which you want to hide conditionally. So right now we want to hide the meeting link and the meeting location. So these fields should hide and display. Field should be get controlled by which fields? The meeting type field. And in description keep it as a visible, and click on the add dependency button. So once you add those fields, now click on this operations edit button. So here you have to select the condition. So we are going to set as a value. Second is the which after selecting this value in the meeting type field, so we want to show the virtual field when we select the meeting type as a virtual. So in that case we want to display that virtual field. So there are different types of states available, form state available. So we will set as a visible, and the effect will be the hide and show, and click on the save setting. Similarly for the meeting location field also, you need to click on this edit button. So in condition select the value, keep this as it is. Meeting type, so we want to show that field when we click the this option face to face, and form state will be the visible, and click on save setting. Now again I come to back to my this content type, and when I refresh this, so right now those fields are hidden. Suppose if I select the meeting type as a virtual, then the meeting field, meeting link field is visible, and if I select the face to face, so in that case the meeting location field is visible. So we will add some dummy data in the meeting content type. Meeting agenda, demo agenda. So we will first select the meeting type as a virtual. So in that case we need to add the meeting link. And click on save. Yeah, so you can see meeting type is the virtual, so in that case we are showing just meeting link. Now we will add the one more data in the meeting content type. Location meeting. So for this we will set as a face to face, so the location field is available. So location will be the demo location. So now you can see the meeting type is the face to face, and the meeting location is the demo location. So that's it from this video. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any queries, suggestions, you can add in the comments. Thank you.